Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So I'm looking at a Alliance Valor, and customers just traveling through in transit, and I got to catch up with them for a few minutes, and they said, hey, we're heading back to Oregon. We were just recently in our repair shop, and I'm not sure if it was in Oregon, but in a repair shop in Oregon, they had a problem with the holding tank, and so I guess they were traveling, and whatever repair that repair shop did, the underbelly material was starting to come loose. So they came in, and I don't know what we're in the process of doing. I see some foam and a molding, and I know Terry was putting some wood and stuff in there, but they had obviously cut or went into the insert or went into the underbelly to get into the insert mold or into, let me slow down here. Jeez, Dustin. They cut into the underbelly to access the holding tank to do some type of repairs. And when they secured it back up, they didn't secure it good enough. So now it's coming loose in travel. So sometimes I'm way ahead of myself, and I'll just rattle on if you know me. So anyways, this unit's here. We're doing a repair to it. While it's here, the customers also told me that they were having problems with this upper bedroom slide out, that the slide out is jammed, that it's not even open, that they're using like a 2x4 or something to kind of close it up, and that they have cracks inside the wall of the frame, and so that they're getting that taken care of with Alliance or with their dealer when they get back. I think they said it has to go back to Alliance. I'm not sure. I'll double check with them when they come back in. But anyways, thanks so much for traveling through and stopping. They found us through our Facebook, and they said, hey, we didn't know that you were Alliance Authorized Service Center. And we said, we sure are. And so they're like, well, we want to come in and have you see what you can do to this to get us by. So we're not trying to go above and beyond, but get them doctored up so they can get this thing back home. And also the owner had mentioned that he was in the military. And so I want to thank you for your service. I too was in the military for a while. And so I appreciate that. And thanks for looking out for all of us. And so anyways, if you haven't joined our Alliance group, it's Alliance RV Owners Maintenance and Repairs in the RV Shop with Dustin. It's a group that I own. It's you can post anything you want in there, videos, pictures, upgrades, modifications, anything you've done to it. We got another brand new Alliance out here that I've been doing a bunch of videos on. And so stay tuned for more, and we'll see you out on the road. Thanks so much for watching.